Want to make sliders that are melty, savory, and totally foolproof? These Italian sliders are bursting with flavor and perfect for dinner, parties, or game day. Hi, I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper and CakeMixRecipes.com. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Today, I'm showing you how to make Italian sliders. They're loaded with Italian meats, cheese, and a buttery garlic topping, all baked in slider rolls until melty and golden. If you're not hooked yet, you're gonna be. To make it easier for you, I included a link to the full printable recipe in the video description below, so make sure you grab it. So the first thing we need to do for our sliders is to get our slider rolls ready. So I just have a 12 pack of slider rolls here. And we are going to slice these in half. And we don't want to take them apart, so you're literally just going to take your knife and run them down. We want the tops in one full sheet and we want the bottoms in one full sheet. Now, to the bottom half of our slider rolls, we are going to spread some mayonnaise. And we just want a nice good coating over the entire bottom. Now we're going to start layering on our meats. So I have some ham, and I'm just gonna put that in some nice even layers. You can use whatever meats that you like. You can use a capicola would be good here. Anything. Mortadella, if you really wanna go Italian and build it up that way. Lots of good options. On top of this, we're going to add some Italian salami. I love salami, it's my favorite. Next up would be pepperoni. But when I went to get the pepperoni prepped for this recipe, it seems to have disappeared from the kitchen. Now I have a hunch as to where it went or who ate it. Not going to name any names as I'm getting the evil eye from across the room here. But the pepperoni has gone missing. So, in a perfect world, you would put a nice layer of pepperoni here. I don't have it, don't be like me. Okay, pepperoni, then we're going to add some provolone. Next up, we are going to make the topping for this half of our slider rolls. So I have some melted butter. To this, I'm going to add some grated Parmesan cheese, because more cheese. Some Italian seasoning blend. And I will share the link to my custom Italian seasoning blend in the show notes so you can grab that. And then some garlic salt. Not garlic powder, but garlic salt, because we don't have any salt. Well, we do have salt in the lunch meats, but that's gonna provide the salty component along with the Parmesan for our topping. And then just brush this buttery deliciousness all over the top. We are going to pop this into a preheated oven until our tops become golden, our cheese becomes melty, and everything's ready, and then we're gonna finish them off. Okay, fresh from the oven, these look scrumptious. Couple more steps to finish them off. I do wanna say, if you want them a little toastier on the top and your cheese a little meltier, pop it under the broiler for like 30 seconds. Do not walk away from it. Pop it under there, keep a close eye on it so that the cheese doesn't burn. We're going to add some shredded lettuce. I'm going to add some banana peppers. These will add a little bit of heat. You can get sweet ones if you want. My favorite are the sweet ones. And then we're going to add a little bit of oregano, because we can't call this an Italian slider without some oregano. All right. And last but not least, we're going to sling some red wine vinegar on top. That's gonna help cut through some of the richness from the mayo and the cheese, just kind of pulling everything together. Carefully transfer the hot tops onto the bottoms. And would y'all look at that? These Italian sliders come together in minutes and are packed with flavor. You can make a big batch in one pan, no standing at the stove, just assemble and bake. I just love it. Now, if you want to make them your own, you can, like I said, you can add some sweet peppers, add some pesto, or a little bit more parmesan on there for a little extra something. Now, I am ready to dig in, so I'm gonna cut into these. I'm gonna slice into this part right here. Ooh, it is hot, ladies and gentlemen. Here I go, thinking I'm gonna be fancy with my right hand on a knife. Ooh, yum, yum, yum. I'm gonna burn my mouth, but I don't care. Oh, you know what would make these better? Pepperoni. Jim and Joe. Pepperoni would make these better. Oh, you guys. Oh my gosh, they're so good. These Italian sliders are definitely a keeper. They're melty, toasty, and a total hit with any crowd. Now, make sure you share this video with someone who loves good food, and don't forget to grab that printable recipe in the video description. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. If you love easy, flavorful party foods, be sure to check out my steak and cheese sliders next. They're just as easy and even more indulgent. Head over here and I will see you there.